Hi, it's Lee. Welcome to Business Plan Tips. If you're a returnee, welcome back. If you're a newcomer, I'm glad you found us. The tips you'll find on this site will definitely aid you in preparing an effective business plan. So let's go ahead and take a look at this tip.
If you're thinking about setting up an enterprise, the first thing you should do is create a business plan. A business plan is a written document that outlines your company's goals and how you'll achieve them. Find a business plan to model. Search for a business template or a sample business plan on the internet. Modify and use the template as the foundation for your business plan. Each business venture is unique, as is its market, so you can't simply fill in the blanks on a template to generate an effective business plan. You'll have to use clear persuasion techniques, use facts and evidence, apply logic and reason, and appeal to the intelligence of the reader. Business plans should not be persuasive. The role of a plan is to present facts, figures, and projections. It should excite and inspire the reader, so pick a format that lets you do that. Always mention your skills and aptitudes, as they're a vital element that will contribute to the success of your business. Use evidence and examples to back up every major point you make. Prove what you're saying with hard facts, whether it's with a strong statistic, a customer quote, or an example of a similar activity. Remember that an effective business plan takes time to develop, anywhere from weeks to months, possibly even years. As time passes, you'll fine-tune your message. Don't leave your plan in a drawer. It should become part of your day-to-day business methodology rather than something you occasionally refer to. Use it to demonstrate that you understand your market and that you've thought about how you'll set yourself apart from your competitors and that you know how to attract your customers. A business plan should be current and adapt as you test different strategies, learning from both your successes and your failures. Link every strategy to your core objectives. The purpose of a business plan is to show what your short-term and long-term goals are and what strategies and tactics will be used to achieve them. Your objectives should be at the heart of your plan. Finally, remember that graphs, charts, and images are an effective way to bring your enterprise to life.
Now, I'd like to give you a chance to review a 149-page business plan that I've created for you. A button has just appeared below this video. If you click it, you'll be able to view each page of my business plan. Now, although a template is a good way to see the structure of a business plan, reviewing the actual verbiage itself is best. Having done that, you'll understand how best to present your enterprise's business plan. Until I provide the next tip, cheers for now.